Why are you crying? Why are you crying, Bug?
I don't have a tongue.
You got a tongue, honey. It's just numb. Huh? Hannah. It's okay, honey.
I can't close my mouth no more.
Huh?
I can't close my mouth no more.
Honey, you just got galls in your mouth right now. Okay?
My face is fat.
No, your face ain't fat.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. It's not fat.
Look at my chin.
Bug. It's gonna be alright. It's just numb, okay? Okay?
They said I can't have no chicken.
What?
They said I can't have no chicken.
You can't have no chicken.
No chicken.
No chicken. It's okay. Here comes Colton. Okay?